Hi, it's Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair channel. Today I am happy to be back with you. I know it's been a little while since I've had a chance to make a video. I have been a little bit busy with work. We've been just slammed. So today I found myself in a dental office that I haven't been in a while. I was doing some repairs, and I noticed that they got some nice, beautiful new stools, or refurbished stools. And when I looked at these stools, I thought, besides the fact that they do look rather nice and they have new upholstery, I thought something was really strange, and I wanted to share it with you. This particular stool here, I was looking really close at the wheels, and I noticed that the wheels are missing the rubber. And I'll flip this chair over so you can see a little bit better. But these wheels are missing the rubber. This stool that was refurbished, somebody just put all the wheels back on it without any rubber. So this was pretty crazy. You can already see that they're kind of getting scuffed up and scratched. Eventually, this stool that's new with these wheels that are not nice are eventually going to mess up the floor. So this stool over here has a set of wheels on it that are correct. And these wheels roll very nicely. And these wheels, you can see, actually have a dark rubber on them. And so these wheels actually are correct. As you can see, all the wheels look the same. Okay, and these are correct. Of the stools that this customer got, there are 6 stools, and this stool, as well as this stool over here, are actually missing the rubber. So today, I would like to show you how to fix that. Okay, in order to solve this problem, what you need is a DCI part number 2972. This is a caster soft wheel for hard floors kit. And these wheels right here have the actual rubber that goes around them. And I'm going to show you how to replace these wheels on a dental stool like this. And this is a repair that you can do rather easily yourself. To replace the stool wheels, what we're going to need is we need a tack puller, and we need a set of wheels. And of course we need the stool that doesn't have the good wheels on it. First thing we're going to do is flip the stool over on its side. I support it on my knee so that it won't get damaged. You want to make sure if you're flipping the upholstery around that you're not hurting the top of the chair that people see. Now with the tack puller, this has a little bit of a V in it. I'm going to take and basically point the tack puller at where the base of the wheel is and pivot up. And I'm going to try to get little bites until the wheel itself comes out. And eventually it will come out. Well, okay, that's fun. So I'm going to keep working at it. I'm going to get another bite here. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so this is the wheel. Actually, they're a little bit dirty. I'm just going to throw them down there. And bite onto that one.
The screen just went dark.
That's okay. You can touch it, and it'll. All right. And there's 3. Okay, so now all the wheels are off, And the new bag of wheels, those can be opened up. And again, this is a DCR part number 2972. All right. 1, 2. Okay, and that is all done. So now we have a new set of wheels on here. Flip it over. And now that chair rolls really nice. So as you can see, these are all of our old junky wheels. And that is what a wheel that is worn out will look like. Typically what will happen is wheels will fail one at a time, and then you'll have maybe 3 or 4 good wheels, and then you'll have 1 or 2 bad wheels. What I recommend is you take all the good wheels off of chairs that are intact, and you move them all to one chair, and then you buy a set of wheels and you just put those on one chair. I would not replace one wheel at a time. I would do them all together as a set. All right, so thank you very much for joining me. Hopefully this information about dental stools was informative. This is something that a staff member can easily do on their own. There are other ways to hold the stool. I would just recommend doing whatever works for you. And again, this is just something where you can go around your dental office and just look at all of your stools, look at what the condition of the wheels are, and like I said, move all the good wheels to one set of stools, and then order the wheels that you need for the other stools. So this is Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair channel. Thanks for joining me, and it's good to see you again. Have a great weekend.